Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt before.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing unboxing on this, I think it's Autel Maxi scan tool. Oh my goodness, I can't remember the name of it, but I just got it today in the mail. And I know you guys so used to me seeing me in the car and everything, but it's raining really heavy. I don't know if you guys heard that thunder, but it's raining real heavy today here in Florida. And let's get down to the unboxing. I don't want to hold you guys up. Let's get into it. Alright guys, here's the package. No, it's gonna be one tough one today because I hate doing something with one hand, you know, getting there. It's raining real heavy out there in outside right now. I'm gonna put the name of it, as you can see, maxiTpms, and this version, well, I'm waiting till I get to the whole bag open. I like the little case that it comes in. And this is new to me. I never used one before, so I don't even know how it works. I'm gonna basically have to like do some practices, or not practices, but watch a couple of videos to get how it works, and then I'm gonna do a video because I do need to reprogram my tire pressure monitor system, which is, it shapes like this. I should have some old ones. I have some in the car as well because I just got some in the mail the other day. So it said new generation TPMS diagnostic and service tool, Maxi TPMS. This is the Ts508 professional TPMS service. You can see right there, color display, OBD2 cable, quick and advanced mode, 4 methods programming, PSI, play card value change. So look at it guys. I didn't really want to take this thing off, but it seems like I'm gonna have to take it off. They should have put like a sticker, you know, instead of doing it that way, but I'm gonna have to pull it off from the bottom. I don't want to rip it or nothing either, so I'm gonna try my best to. It's so hard to do it with one hand, but we'll get it done. Okay, so it is the Autel. Alright, so I got that off. You can see it said Autel. It said register and update. So for current vehicle coverage and full tool functionality. So I do have the option that I could update this system to whatever software program they update it to. I could upgrade it, and it will work out for newer vehicles. So I'm gonna keep that in mind. All right guys, so here's the tool itself. Move that. It says remove from wheel after activation. I don't even know what that's supposed to mean. I really don't know, but here it is guys. It said maxiTpms, the same Ts508 professional scan tool. Got it. I never really seen nobody did a, maybe I never search up no video, but I seen anybody doing any unboxing on this. I know they show how to use it and how to reset or reprogram the tire pressure light using the scan tool, or reprogram it using this same tool. Guys, they have different types, they have different brands, but this one, I got this at a good buy. The price was like $180. Yes, it was like about $180 or $179, free shipping. I got this. I think I got this off of a website, and it came really fast because I purchased it. It wasn't yesterday. Yesterday was Friday. It wasn't Thursday. I purchased it on Wednesday, and I got it today. So 3-day shipping. It was really fast. So this right here looks like the charger, the USB that they charge from the side. As you can see right here, you charge it from the side, you charge it up, and you also have the cords. You have the cords to connect here and into your car as well, so you could, you know, pull up what's going on, reprogram it from the car. Here's the manual. Now this manual right here, I'm going to have to keep because, you know, usually not random throw with a manual because it's no use to me, but this time this time around I'm gonna really need to read and figure out how this stuff works. I might have to just watch some videos. So I have this right here, how to connect it and what the other piece is for. This right here shows you quick mode, advanced mode, toolkit, latest tests, review data, my device, program, sensor, position, relearn information, and it show you all when it's good and when it's bad. So you have the two front, the two rear. One of them look like it's bad. As you see, it's orange, and the one in the trunk, which is green. All of them is green is good, except the one for the one in the rear look like it's bad. So you have all the steps by steps here. So I'm gonna, you know, do a video how to use it because my light is on. As I told you guys, I'm gonna have to either go to a shop or take it to Sam's Club and install all the OEM tire pressure monitor sensors. You guys don't even know what I'm talking about. All right, so for the people who don't know what I'm talking about, is these. The sensors look like these. These are the sensors that's actually in your tire. I think it started from 2007 all the way up to newer vehicles. So people who have 2007 cars, you should have, it depends on your area, your state or country. I think the government started it like 2007. I gotta double check on that. But these are your tire pressure monitor sensor. You know, you put air in your tire and then your light turn off. You know how that goes. Yeah. So, or when you get a flat, when you low on air, your tire light comes on. So here's the cord right here. I like the way how they set it up. Really nice, really easy. You know, piece of cake. I love it. So this is the unboxing, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I am so excited that I got it so fast because when I purchased it, it said supposed to come on Monday. Today is Saturday. I purchased it on Wednesday. So that was a fast shipping. And I can't remember the website that I bought it on. But it comes really fast. Came in the mail. The guy knocked on the door. USPS, United States Postal Service. The guy knocked on the door, and I knew it was this because I also have the tracking and everything. They give you a tracking, and hey, I got it. I think it came from all the way from Ohio. Yeah, all the way from Ohio, all the way to Florida. 3 days, Thursday, Friday, today's Saturday. Got it. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate the love and the support. You can share this video out, you know, tell a friend, tell a neighbor, you know. Yeah, like it, leave a comment, tell me what you think. And I can't wait to get that tire light. Here's all the features. Lifetime free software update, tire pressure, play card value charge, activate all known TPMS sensor, read sensor ID, pressure to temperature and battery voltage, 25% lower or higher tire pressure warning for some vehicles, TPMS status screen for fast TPS health check, read sensor ID from ECU and compare ECU IDs with activated sensor IDs, read/erase, TPMS DOC on tool description, program Autel MX sensors, smartly program MX sensors by copying sensor ID from ECU. It's a lot, guys, a lot of features. I'm not going to read all of these, but all the information is here, guys. Yes, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this unboxing. Peace out, bye bye, take care, God bless. I really appreciate the love and the support. Yes, I love it. I'm so excited, I'm so happy. I can't wait to go outside and do it, but it's raining, pouring heavy right now here in Florida. Well, on my side of Florida. You know, Florida is a big state. You guys know how that goes. Peace out, bye bye, take care, God bless. I am out.
Get into the money, 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 get into the